Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Polynomials. The given question is verify whether 2 and 0 are zeros of the polynomial x to the power 2 minus 2x. So guys, let us see how we can solve this question. Question has given us this polynomial x to the power 2 minus 2x. Question has given us this polynomial and question is asking us to verify if 2 and 0 are the zeros of this polynomial, are the zeros of this polynomial. Question is just asking us to verify if 2 and 0 are the zeros of this polynomial or not. Now guys, let us see how we can solve this question. So question has given us x to the power 2 minus 2x. So let us assume let px is equal to x to the power 2 minus 2x. Just we are assigning px to x to the power 2 minus 2x so that we can solve this easily. Or I can write px is equal to x to the power, just putting some brackets, x to the power 2 minus 2 into x. Hope guys I'm very clear till here. Now question has given us two values, one is 2 and the other one is 0. So let us put these two values separately and let us check. When x is equal to 2, so I can write here when x is equal to 2. Let us first check what happens here when x is equal to 2. Now replacing the value of x with 2, I can write p2 is equal to p2 is equal to 2 to the power 2 minus 2 into 2. Or I can write p2 is equal to 2 to the 4 minus 2 to the 4. So what we are getting? We are getting p2 is equal to 4 minus 4. Or I can write, in further solving this one, I can write p2 is equal to 0. So what we got? Because this plus 4 and minus 4 it cancels out and we got p2 is equal to 0. This is what we got. So when x is equal to 0, I can write when x is equal to 0. This is what we are checking now. When x is equal to 0. So we are going to replace the value of the given polynomial of the x by 0. That means I can write p0 is equal to 0 to the power 2 minus 2 into 0, just replacing the value of x by 0. Or I can write p0 is equal to 0 to the power 2 is 0 and 2 into 0 is 0. So we can write p0 is equal to 0. So what we got here? We got here p0 is equal to 0. Now let us look into the question and let us write our concluding answer. Let us look into the question and write our concluding answer. Question is asking us verify whether 2 and 0 are zeros of the polynomial x to the power 2 minus 2x or not. So we can write here our concluding answer saying that therefore 2 and 0 both are, therefore 2 and 0 are both these zeros of the given polynomial x to the power 2 minus 2x. Something like this you need to write in your own words. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.